Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Ruble Solutions. Friends, this video is little tough for the beginners, but actually I was searching something, reading on the internet. I got this and wanted to share on the channel. Maybe someone gets some help for this. This is a new for me too, and I'm also trying to learn some of these. So let's discuss top 5 best programming languages for artificial intelligence field. Nowadays, artificial intelligence field is uh, very progressive and people are working on it. People are making new researches on it. Being a MTech researcher, I understand that this field is very important. So I was making some search to find some good output about that. So I got to know that there are some programming languages for artificial intelligence field, and I have collected the top 5 best programming languages. Hope this is so. And the source for this video is purely internet search. I will make sure that its reference is purely internet source. Now let's discuss the short chapter, you can say, that will compile top 5 best programming languages for artificial intelligence field. Artificial intelligence is a branch of engineering which basically aims for making the computer which can think intelligently in the similar manner that intelligent human think. जैसे कि फ्रेंड्स एक जनरल व्यू पॉइंट बता देती हूँ, जैसे कि रोबोट्स होते हैं आजकल, वो सोच रहे हैं कि रोबोट्स में आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस लाई जाए ताकि हम उनसे और ज़्यादा काम करवा पाएँ. लाइक कि हम रो रहे हैं तो रोबोट्स देख पाएँ कि हाँ हम रो रहे हैं, ऐसे इस तरह से. तो ये फील्ड है आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस और इस पे बहुत काम हो रहा है आजकल. तो कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट बनता है या कोई भी सॉफ्टवेयर बनता है, कुछ भी बनता है, तो मैंने आपको बताया ही है कि उसका बेस होता है प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेजेस. तो कौन कौन सी प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेजेस यूज़ हो सकती हैं वो हम अभी डिस्कस करेंगे. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले है पाइथन के बारे में थोड़ा सा पढ़ेंगे. देन एक लैंग्वेज है आर, दिस इज न्यू फॉर मी ऑल्सो. देन लिस्प, LISP. Then Prolog, okay, and Java. Java is common. We all engineering students do learn Java. Okay, let's discuss what is Python. Python is considered to be in the first place in the list of all AI development languages due to simplicity. The syntax belonging to the Python are very simple and can be easily learned. Therefore, many AI algorithms can be easily implemented in it. AI means artificial intelligence. Python takes short development time in comparison to other languages like Java, C++, or Ruby. Python supports object-oriented, functional as well as procedural-oriented styles of programming. There are plenty of libraries in Python which make our task easier. For example, NumPy, NUMPY, is a library for Python that helps us to solve many scientific computations. Also, we have PyBrain, which is for using machine learning in Python. Okay, nice. Now comes R. R is one of the most effective language and environment for analyzing and manipulating the data for statistical purposes. Using R, we can easily produce well-designed publications, quality plot, including mathematical symbols and formula where needed. Apart from being a general-purpose language, R has numerous of packages like RODBC, that is database, I think so, G models, class, and TM, which are used in the field of machine learning. These packages make the implementation of machine learning algorithms easy for cracking the business associated problems. Third is Lisp. Lisp is one of the oldest and the most suited languages for the development in AI. It was invented by John McCarthy, the father of artificial intelligence, in 1958. It has the capability of processing the symbolic information effectively. It is also known for its excellent prototyping capabilities and easy dynamic creation of new objects with automatic garbage collection. Its development cycle allows interactive evaluation of expressions and recompilations of functions or file while the program is still running. Over the years, due to advancement, many of these features have migrated into many other languages, thereby affecting the uniqueness of Lisp. The fourth is Prolog. This language stays alongside Lisp, which we talk about the development in AI field. The features provided by it includes efficient pattern matching, tree-based data structuring, and automatic backtracking. All these features provide a surprisingly powerful and flexible programming framework. Prolog is widely used for working on medical projects and also for designing expert AI systems. Now, fifth is Java. Java can also be considered as a good choice for AI developments. Artificial intelligence had a lot to do with search algorithms, artificial neural networks, and genetic programming. Java provides many benefits: easy use, debugging, package services, simplified work with large-scale project, graphical representation of data, and better user interaction. It also has incorporation of Swing and SWT, Standard Widget Toolkit. These tools make graphics and interface look appealing and sophisticated. Okay. Thank you, Google, for providing this information about the artificial intelligence. This is new for me also, and I hope I will go through it and make more videos on one of the languages very soon. Thank you so much. Thank you, Google. Thank you, everybody, for listening me and appreciating me and supporting me. Thank you so much. Love, love.